Huh? Nicholas brought your ball? What else is in your boots? Look at your boots. What else is in your boots?
Dinosaur.
That's right, that's a dinosaur. What else is in your boots? You know what that is? Chocolate. It's chocolate, River. You want to eat it? You like chocolate? We gotta peel it first. There's a wrapper on there.